Hi and welcome to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. Today, we are starting this series of SolidWorks 2014 tutorial lectures. SolidWorks can be a very good beginning for your journey to become a design engineer, as most mechanical design industries hire freshers who have exposure to SolidWorks. First, we will learn about all the commands in SolidWorks and then go through the exercises for part design. I will keep each lecture short so that you can practice each step that you learn here before moving to the next lecture. In this lecture, we will learn about the interface of SolidWorks 2014 and how to use it. So, let's start. This is our interface of SolidWorks 2014 and these are the windows. And, this is the design library. On the top, there is File, View, Tools. There are many tool options. These are view options. Then, there are file options like New and Open. And all the previously created files will also be visible in this menu. Then this is System Options. We can perform or you can set your settings on, how to make a drawing, display color, or sketch. There are many settings. We will see in our coming lectures how to set all these. Now, see. If you want to make a new part, or open a part or anything, you can do it from here. Now, we will see how to sketch a new part. So, select New. Now this new SolidWorks document will open. Here you can see Part. In Part option, you can see, it is written. A 3D representation of single design component. So, you can create a single 3D design in this part option. And the second one is Assembly. If you have many 3D parts and you want to assemble them, then, just select Assembly and click OK. And this is the drawing. This is 2D drawing. If you want to create a 2D drawing, so, there is one option, Advance. This is also the same thing. Nothing different really, just a different layout. As you can see. So, let's say create and open 3D parts option. So, select Part and click OK. Now this is our SolidWorks interface ready. This is our SolidWorks interface after opening, and this is the tree diagram. Here you see whatever operation you will perform, it will be shown here. The front plane, top plane, any plane you want. Any operation you will perform, it will be visible here. And, you can even edit it. Also, this is your toolbar, a short toolbox. If you want to zoom out or zoom in. Zoom area, then section view, then edit color, appearance. And this is our task box, the same as the file, edit views. These all are views, insert tools, everything. Whatever we are going to do here and just right-click here. These are the total options we have, like, Feature, Escapes, Surface, Sheet Metal, Weld. Mold Tools. Let's click on Mold Tools. So now, the Mold Tool option came here. If you want to perform in Mold Tool, it will be this option. This is normal, this is the isometric view. If you want to do anything, whatever options you want, isometric, trimetric, diametric. And, this is all one option you can see here, appearance. Then, if you want any help, then the help menu is also here. Tutorial, introduction. There are many things. And, we have tools also here. This is the options menu. As I told you, if you want to do any changes or anything, you have to just go into that and change the things. Whatever you want. We will see later on how to do it. There is one option, add-ins. This is very important. You can use add-ins if you want to add any particular things on your screen. You just have to select these things. There is Photo View 360, then SolidWorks Routing, SolidWorks Motion, SolidWorks Simulation. You just click, select OK. So now, this option will come here. Now these are asking to accept and everything, so if you will accept, it will automatically download everything. See, this is the simulation option. While you perform this, all options will pop up. And you can do your simulations. Just like the same. As you can add many things. Just click on both sides and click OK. And the things will be added automatically. SolidWorks electrical and everything. OK. Now, we will see how to change the units. This is very important part in SolidWorks. Go to Option and see where is Unit option. Go to Documents. See, here you need. Now, there are many options. If you want to make your unit in kilogram, centimeter, millimeter, inch or pound. So basically, we are performing in millimeter. So we will keep mm. If you want inch, just change it to inch. Select OK. Now it is changed, but unit option is also available. Here, see at the bottom, you can see here. Whatever you want mm millimeter. So select millimeter. So, this is our interface and this is our basic window of SolidWorks. SolidWorks is a 3D part generating software and it is very. So, in the next lecture, we will see how to sketch our first part in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next